Single use. Single use. Stir. Stir. Disability. Disability. Disabilities. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Pharmacies. Delay. Delay. Delayed. England bans single-use plastic straws. Stirs. England has banned single-use plastic straws, drink stirrers, and cotton swabs to help reduce plastic pollution. The new rules mean businesses in England can't sell or give out plastic straws, or the other products included in the ban. People with disabilities, however, will still be able to ask for plastic straws in restaurants and pubs, or buy them in pharmacies. Businesses that bought any of the banned plastic products before October 1st, 2020, will be allowed to sell what they have or give them to customers until April next year. The ban had been planned for April 2020, but the government delayed it when the country went into lockdown because of the coronavirus pandemic. The UK government says that people in England use around 4.7 billion plastic straws, 316 million plastic stirrers, and 1.8 billion cotton swabs a year. Many of these single-use plastic items find their way into the ocean. The UK's Environment Secretary, George Eustace, said single-use plastics seriously damage the environment, and that this ban is just one part of the government's plan to protect it. Scotland has already banned the same single-use plastic products, and Northern Ireland and Wales have promised to do so as well.